The Makita XML03CM1 lawnmower kit is a top-of-the-line cordless solution for efficient grass cutting with zero emissions, lower noise, and reduced maintenance. Powered by 4 fast-charging 18-volt LXT 4.0 amp-hour batteries, this lawnmower delivers maximum power and runtime without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. The mower features a Makita-built motor that delivers up to 3,300 revolutions per minute and a commercial-grade steel deck for robustness and longevity. Ease of use is a key feature, with quick height adjustments, a 16-gallon capacity grass collector, and foldable handles for compact storage. This mower is built with Makita Extreme Protection Technology, which provides a protective seal inside the tool for improved operation in harsh conditions. The Makita XML03CM1 is part of the expanding 18-volt LXT system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18-volt lithium-ion slide-style batteries.